Welcome back to Autokido. Today, we are checking out the all-new 2025 Subaru Baja pickup, a rugged yet versatile truck making a grand return with modern features and Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive. Let's see what this adventure-ready pickup has to offer. The 2025 Subaru Baja has a bold and muscular design that blends practicality with off-road capability. The front fascia features Subaru's signature hexagonal grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights with C-shaped DRLs. The sculpted hood and rugged cladding give it a tough, adventurous look. Along the sides, the Baja sports high ground clearance and flared wheel arches, riding on 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels. At the back, the integrated step bumper, LED taillights, and functional cargo bed with a power tailgate make it both stylish and practical. Under the hood, the Baja is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine producing around 290 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, whether you are on the highway or tackling rough terrain. Additionally, an electrified hybrid variant is expected, offering improved fuel efficiency and an extra boost in power. The Baja also comes with X mode and hill descent control, making it an off-road enthusiast's dream. Inside, the 2025 Baja blends rugged durability with modern tech. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, featuring premium upholstery with water-resistant materials for adventure seekers. The 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Subaru's Starlink connectivity. A digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system add to the high-tech appeal. Safety is a priority, and Subaru has equipped the Baja with its advanced EyeSight driver assist technology. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for better visibility. With these features, the Baja ensures a secure and confident driving experience. The 2025 Subaru Baja is the perfect blend of adventure, utility, and modern technology. Whether you are looking for a capable work truck or an off-road ready lifestyle pickup, the Baja delivers on all fronts. Subaru's commitment to safety, performance, and rugged durability makes this a compelling choice in the pickup segment. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autokido for more exciting car content. Let us know your thoughts about the 2025 Subaru Baja pickup in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.